Wow. So how do you feel about how things went today?
I just don't want my hair cut.
Yeah.
Other than that, how was the day, though?
Yeah.
Other than
Because
that.
I think it was crazy. This is pretty serious. This
Serious
is big
stuff.
time. I kind of think that
They question your commitment. They're just asking you to, you know, show willingness.
which people don't want to cut their hair.
Yeah.
But it does grow back, too.
No, mine doesn't grow back fast.
Well,
It is the slowest. Okay.
Yeah, but
in
I'm gonna-
8th grade, it was like right here, and now it's only grown like that much from 8th grade.
I think you ought to think about it because I think it's kind of a big thing. I think her commitment level is there, but asking somebody to do something as personal about their looks as that, it caught her off guard a little bit.
And they may not even want to cut your hair. Just the fact that they know that you're willing.
Erin said that it makes your eyes stand out if you
Yeah.
have a little shorter hair.
It's the fact that short hair I can't do anything with, and I like doing stuff with my hair.
But
Right.
these are professionals that have worked with so many different
Can we not talk about
hairstyles.
my
Yeah,
hair?
let's.
We don't want you to feel like we're backing you into a corner, because
Yeah, you
that's
kind
not
of
what
are.
we want to do.
You're not backing me into the corner. You are
Okay, let's go,
physically
let's go.
pushing me into that corner.
I'm scared to see what they do to my hair, and I hope they don't chop it off. I will be sad, because I do not look good with short hair.
Oh, no,
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 no, no.
No!
Okay, I'm done. Hey, I'm done. I'm done.
Coming up,
Roll camera. Change your body a little bit. It's too much, too much, too much, too much.
I think the pictures are gonna look like.
I mean, the whole thing is awful. I'm not putting my name on this.